का सगळे सारे लोग ज्वाइन हो गए? हो रहे, अभी हो रहे। चलो ओके, झाले का? झाले झाले, ओके. आता बाळांनो, write down a large heading, motion. One more revision of this chapter. Okay, motion chapter that we will revise now. चला, motion. Fine, let us revise this point. नेक्स्ट चॅप्टर रिवाइज करतोय आपण. फर्स्ट चॅप्टर रिवाइज केला आपण. ओके, भरपूर डिस्कस केलं आणि एकमेकांशी आपण फॅमिलियर पण झालो. आता तुम्ही मला ओळखताय, मीही तुम्हाला ओळखतोय. तुम्हाला जे काही डाऊट्स असतात, तुम्हाला ज्या गोष्टी डिस्कस करायच्या आहेत, त्या गोष्टी तुम्ही बाळांनो मला व्हॉट्सअप वरती विचारू शकता. ओके, एखादा क्वेश्चन असेल, एखादा डाऊट असेल, त्या गोष्टी तुम्ही बाळांनो मला व्हॉट्सअप वरती विचारू शकता. ओके फाईन, म्हणजे तुमची माझी इंटरॅक्शन आणखीन जास्त होईल. सो दॅट बोथ ऑफ अस कॅन नो इच अदर. ओके. Okay, sir. Fine. If we have doubt, we will ask you. Yes, definitely ask. Chalo. The next point that we are going to revise, the next chapter that we are going to revise is, guys, motion. Okay, fine. Motion is what? Simple thought. Motion is change of position. Motion means what? Motion is change of position. Write down. First point. First point. First point. Motion is what? Motion is change of position. Change of position of particle, change of position of particle, change of position of particle with time, change of position of particle with time is called motion. Is called motion. Is called motion of particle or simply motion. Fine. What does it mean? त्याचं मीनिंग काय आहे? मीनिंग एवढंच आहे, जर पार्टिकलची पोझिशन चेंज होत असेल टाइम बरोबर, जर पार्टिकलची पोझिशन चेंज होत असेल, इन दॅट केस वी से दॅट पार्टिकल इज इन मोशन. In that case we say that particle is in motion. Simple thought. Okay, first thought. What is the first thought? Change of position of particle with time is called as motion. एखाद्या पार्टिकलची पोझिशन बदलत असेल, let's say we have a coordinate system. Okay, let us take two-dimensional coordinate system because it is very easy to draw on the two-dimensional plane. Okay, this whiteboard is a two-dimensional plane, two-dimensional world. In the two-dimensional world we can draw two-dimensional coordinate system. Okay sir, x-axis, y-axis. Initially let's say the particle is here, now let's say particle is here. So particle was at point x1 comma y1 when the time was t1, and now the particle is at point x2 comma y2. x2 and y2 are the coordinates when the time instance was t2. So let me draw the timeline also. This is a timeline. Here let's say the observation starts. The point at which the observation starts, that point of time is taken as a 0 second. Okay, when the time instance was t1, the particle was located at point x1 y1. जेव्हा टाइम इन्स्टन्स t1 होता तेव्हा पॉइंट कुठे होता? x1 y1 ला होता. ओके सर. when the time instance was t2, the particle was located at x2 y2. जेव्हा टाइम इन्स्टन्स 2 होता, t2 होता, तेव्हा पार्टिकल x2 y2 ला होता. ओके, सो at different times particle was located at different positions and therefore particle was said to be in motion. Is the concept of motion clear to all of you? Just reply me small c. Understand it, draw it, write it, and then reply me in the chat box a simple small c. That won't take much time. पहिल्यांदा मोशनची कॉन्सेप्ट रिवाइज करून देतो, समजून घ्या. ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड. येस सर, गॉट इट. At different times particle has different locations. In that case the particle is said to be in motion. Okay sir, it is this simple. Fine. Fine. Next point that we are going to revise is this. पुढे जाऊ का बाळांनो? Next point that we are going to revise is the concept of rest. The concept of rest. Rest means what? If the position of the particle is not changing with time, write down. If the position of particle, okay sir, if the position of particle or body, you may say, or the object, you may say, is not changing with time, it is same, not changing with time. Okay sir, it is not changing with time, the object is said to be at rest. Object rest ला केव्हा म्हणायचं? जर त्याची पोझिशन बदलत नाहीये, not changing with time, टाइम नुसार त्याची पोझिशन चेंज होत नाहीये. How to draw it? Like this. Initially the particle was found here at x1 comma y1 when the time was t1. Again observation was taken at time instance equal to t2. Particle was again found at x1 comma y1. Again at next time instance t3. Again the observation was taken. Particle is again found at x1 and y1. So for all time instances, particle is located at same point. All time instances, t1, t2, t3, and for all times, it is always located at the same point. In that case, you will say that. The particle is at rest. You will say that particle is at rest. Okay. आता बाळांनो एक गंमत बघा. Okay. Now try to understand one interesting thing. Now let's say, just give me a second. Try to understand. मजा येईल तुम्हाला आता. Let us take one vehicle. Okay. Let us give it wheels. Okay, sir. Fine. Now, let's say this vehicle is moving in the forward direction. Okay. Let's say this vehicle is This vehicle is moving in the forward direction. Okay. आता बाळांनो मला सांगा. Let's say you are sitting in this vehicle. You are sitting in this vehicle. From your point of view, for your perspective, this particle will be at rest or in motion. Reply me in the chat box. Let me check your imagination. From your perspective, according to you, तुमच्या म्हणण्यानुसार हा पार्टिकल बाळांनो रेस्ट ला की मोशन मध्ये? Correct. All of you are giving the correct answer. Now this needs somewhat slight imagination also. From your perspective, what do you think? This particle is at rest or at motion? Yes. From this person's perspective, या माणसाच्या अनुसार, according to this person, the particle is at rest. Very good. All of you give the correct answer. But there is one person who is standing here. Okay. There is one person who is standing here. According to this person, this particle is in what? Motion or rest? This particle is in what? Motion or rest? Small m, small r. Motion or rest? Don't type complete word. Don't take that much efforts. Do the smart work, guys. Do the smart work. Motion or rest? Yes. Now all of you are giving again correct answer. So, sir, this particle is at rest or at motion? One person is saying at rest, another person is saying in motion. It means, sir, it depends on the frame of reference. Frame of reference means what? Coordinate system and a clock. Of course, you need a clock. Coordinate system and a clock. A new word. frame of reference. Frame of reference. What does that mean? Frame of reference means a coordinate system. Coordinate system is required for what? To measure the position, and clock for what? To measure the time. Now this person has this coordinate system. The person is standing on the ground and his coordinate system is this: capital X, capital Y. This is the coordinate system of this person: capital X, capital Y. Now in this coordinate system, this vehicle is moving, this particle is moving, this person is also moving. So according to this person means in this frame of reference, in this coordinate system, all of these things means vehicle, the given point, and the person, all three are moving. And in this coordinate system, you can extend the coordinate system backward also. Okay, negative X, negative Y. In this coordinate system, this person is at rest and this point is at rest. Up to this point, is that clear? Up to this point, is that clear? Just reply me small c. But no reply kara. So it depends on the coordinate system, means frame of reference. And according to frame of reference, the given particle may be at rest, and according to some other frame of reference, the given particle may be in motion. Okay, sir. So guys, make one interesting statement. I'm moving on the next page. Okay, I hope all these things you have drawn. Let me move on to the next point. Make an interesting statement which is important as well. Rest and motion are relative concepts. Okay, sir. Rest and motion are relative concept. One person may say the object is at rest and another person may say the object is in motion. एक माणूस काय म्हणू शकतो? ऑब्जेक्ट रेस्टला आहे. दुसरा माणूस काय म्हणू शकतो? ऑब्जेक्ट मोशन मध्ये आहे. That depends on the frame of reference. ते कशावरती डिपेंडेंट आहे? फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्स वरती. Rest and motion are relative concepts. Okay. It depends on choice of कोणती coordinate system तुम्ही सिलेक्ट करता. It depends on choice of coordinate system. It depends on choice of coordinate system. Write this down. Whether your coordinate system is attached to the ground or your coordinate system is attached to the vehicle. This coordinate system XY is attached to the vehicle. It is moving forward with the vehicle. Okay, so all the objects inside the vehicle, the person sitting here, the point particle here, all of those particles will be at rest according to the coordinate system which is attached to the vehicle. But according to the coordinate system which is attached to the ground, okay, according to the coordinate system which is attached to the ground, that coordinate system will say the vehicle is moving, this particle is also moving, and the person is also moving. So it depends on the choice of coordinate system. So rest and motion are relative concepts. In this way you can understand this meaning. Okay, this is the first point to be revised. Now write down the next point that we are going to revise is frame of reference. Choice of coordinate system, that is frame of reference. Frame of reference. What is the frame of reference? Frame of reference, write down. It is a coordinate system. We know coordinate system: one-dimensional coordinate system, two-dimensional coordinate system, three-dimensional coordinate system. Frame of reference is what? It is a coordinate system and a clock. It is a collection of coordinate system and a clock. Coordinate, I should have written the word system. Why do we need coordinate system? I should have written coordinate, right? Double O, right? Coordinate. Why do we need coordinate system? Coordinate system. Why do we need coordinate system? Simple thought: to measure position. To measure Position. Okay, sir. We need coordinate system to measure position. Okay. Why do we need clock to measure time? Yes, sir. To measure time. Okay. And this collectively called as frame of reference. Reply me in the chat box. Is the revision of this point clear to all of you? Frame of reference point. In some frame of reference, object may be at rest. In another frame of reference, it might be in motion. चला बाळांनो, इथपर्यंत मला सगळ्यांनी रिप्लाय करा चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये. समजलं का? व्हेरी गुड. चलो रिप्लाय करा. व्हेरी गुड. समजायला लागले? समजते सगळं? अंडरस्टूड? व्हेरी गुड. फाईन. सो आज मी तुम्हाला एक होमवर्क देईन. मला आठवण कराल होमवर्क द्यायची आज? होमवर्क द्यायची मला आठवण करा. ओके. लेक्चर झालं की मला एक मेसेज पाठवा. ओके. साधारण 15-20 मिनिटांनी लेक्चर झालं की. पण तुमचं पुढचं लेक्चर असेल ना, मग मला मेसेज टाकून ठेवा. म्हणजे मी नंतर आठवणीने तो बाळांनो मेसेज बघेन. चालेल. So guys, in this lecture we are going to stop at this point. I will provide you one homework today that you are going to solve. Okay. So bye bye everyone. Hope all of you have enjoyed this lecture. Tomorrow we will meet at the same time. Okay guys. Chalo. Bye bye everyone. Let me end this lecture at this point. Yes. Just reply me finally once in the chat box. Shall we end this lecture here? Yes. Bye bye everyone. Bye Sahil. Bye Devashish. Yes. Bye bye. Chalo guys. Chalo. Yes. Sorry. Yes.